Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to introduce you a special phone from Nothing, and this is the new sub brand CMF Phone1. And today I'm going to show you, yes, all the accessories and the smartphone. So this is the earbuds Pro 2 from CMF. Here we can find the basic specification about the TWS, Wi-Fi sound, 50 dB, 6 HD micros, smart dial. Yes, this is the CMF Bars Pro 2, and this is the stand for the CMF Phone 1. We need to swipe the screw and fix this to the back panel of the smartphone. And yes, these are the two rays above, and let's check it one by one. So this is the earbuds. It also get a rotate button. Also we can press it, and this is the standard. We can also adjust the angle and fix it here. And we can take the button out and fix it with like this, and it can be used as standard. So both are orange color for TWS and standard, so it's very funny design. And also the case, the blue case, we can replace the original light green color case with blue one, and we just need to wipe the screw, 1 2 3 4 screw, apparently on the back panel of the case. And also we can also swipe the button at the right bottom corner of the smartphone. So yes, here is the button. We can swipe and rotate it, and also we can replace it and also fix it with the standard. With this is a screwdriver, and this is standard. So this is very funny design, and this is the first time I saw a phone design like this among all the traditional ordinary smartphones. And even the TWS, they use the family design language. They also you have a rotated button, and also we can find it. It's a special design, and this device is not so expensive, just $200, but it's sold in 100,000 pieces during 1 minute. It's amazing. And here we can check the blue case and the screwdriver, and I already swiped the screw, and this is a tool to replace the back panel. Yes, very funny and different. And this time for the CMF Phone 1, they use a Dimensity 7300 processor, 8GB RAM plus 128GB ROM addition, RAM and ROM, and 6.67-inch AMOLED screen, 5000 battery with 73-watt fast charging, and 60 megapixel front camera, 50 megapixel main camera, and 2 megapixel deep lens, skin deep lens camera, May 1 f1.8 aperture, no OIS supported. So now I'm going to show you how to replace the back panel of the CMF Phone 1. For CMF Phone 1, this time is all plastic material. So on my hand it's not so comfortable, and it looks cheap. As we can see, it have a big bezel and a straight screen, and for the screen this time they use the 6.67-inch OLED screen and the 120Hz refresh rate. Maximum peak brightness to 2000 nits, and also the weight of the device is 197 gram and 77 mm. Thickness not so good, but what surprised me is that it support on the screen fingerprint. So this is make me feels unimpacted about this low-end smart device in the market. For the CMF phone, it's from Nothing, and from Nothing they do the LED phones, and now they do the kind of DIY phones, modular phones. and this is the biggest advantage of the brand. If we focus on specification, I will say if in China it's not so good, and if we compare with some other big brand like Samsung A55 is okay, but I think most of people will choose it because of the design, and it's very funny. The case, the standard, the TWS, and the special design. And now I provide a massive video to replace the content. I don't want to skip because looks more real, and actually it's not so easy, but actually also it's not complicated. You just take some time and then do it by yourself. And also when you open the case, you can check the battery, the card inside the smartphone. Technology should be funny. This is the founder of the 19 phone Carpe said, and I think they did it. Not most of people will not choose a phone like this, but I like it. It's like the fresher and the smartphone market, a bit difference. And if you get this phone out, take this phone out, and I think a lot of people will ask. And the industrial style design looks so unique. And for the May 1 Sony, it's used the Ultra XDR, and also for the 33-watt charging, it's not so good, I will say. Big battery but low charging efficiency. It takes time, and also for the Antutu score, it's reached to 640 scores, and for the MediaTek 7300 processor for the single core, the score is 10,016, and the multi-core is 2630. And if we mention the camera, I think it's just so. It can just make your basic need of the camera. And here's all the stuff inside the box if you want to replace, even the button, the SIM card slot. You can also choose the different color, but I prefer the mix combination of two colors, so I won't open it, I won't change it. I just use the light green color. And maybe you can also let me know which color you like, the blue one or the green one. And personally, I like the green one. The green is more young, and the blue one looks more dark. I think yes, not so good. Yes, very easy. And I think this is not just a phone, but as a tool, and that's your style to talk with others. Yes, more pictures, you can enjoy it. Thanks for watching my video. Let's attend the video for more catch up on here. Bye.